How to hide or unhide your gender on Rednote application. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can hide or unhide your gender on Rednote app. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to hide or unhide your gender. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote application into your device and make sure you're logged in. After that, you can go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen and you will be taken to this page. So here, you're going to go ahead and find this option called profile, which is right here beside the gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken to the space. So in order to hide or unhide your gender, you can go ahead and tap on your gender. After that, you will be finding this section. Under the gender, you will be finding publicly display section, under which you will be finding a toggle option. So if you want to show your profile, your gender on your profile, you're going to go ahead and turn on this option and enable it. But if you want to hide it, you're going to turn it off, and that is it. So these are the processes you may follow up in order to hide or unhide your gender in your profile as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.